Hi everyone and welcome back to Tesla Stock News. Today, we're going to go deep into NVIDIA, a significant player in the tech stock market as well as a big power in the AI technology field. We're going to go over what's new with NVIDIA, how it's positioned itself in the rapidly changing AI space, and why, despite recent price volatility and a slew of exciting advancements coming up, it's still a stock that tech investors should keep an eye on. We'll also compare and evaluate how these recent developments have affected Tesla. This video will look at NVIDIA's and Tesla's market dynamics, as well as their distinct future projections and innovative growth strategies. We'll also look at how NVIDIA's AI innovations compare to other technology revolutions and their broader implications. Stay tuned as we go deeper into all of this and more. If you're interested in the intersection of technology and investment, particularly how companies like Tesla and NVIDIA are shaping the future, then you've come to the perfect spot. But first, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Welcome to Tesla Stock News, and let's get started. Now let's take a closer look at NVIDIA since the stock of the business has been under pressure despite having recently hit a record high. Today, NVIDIA's stock witnessed a slight decrease after rising by an incredible 2,000% during the previous 10 years. Recently, NVIDIA, a company well known in the semiconductor industry for its explosive growth, divided its shares. This deliberate step was taken in an effort to provide more shares to retail investors, particularly to those who were not able to purchase fractional shares. Despite the split, NVIDIA's market value increased to an incredible $3 trillion, gaining an extra trillion in just a few months. Analysts remain upbeat about NVIDIA. Jim Kelleher of Argus Research raised his price target for NVIDIA from $110 to $150, suggesting a possible gain of almost 20%. In a similar spirit, Bank of America's Vivek Arya set a $150 price target because he thinks NVIDIA is inexpensive. Viewers, this brings up an important subject for conversation: the psychology of investors and how the market functions. Some may be questioning if profit margins could encourage profit-taking or if there is buying fatigue in light of NVIDIA's explosive surge. Shia believes that the market may be responding normally in this case. He suggests buying NVIDIA stock for the long haul and adding to holdings after any brief drops in price. This role has a striking resemblance to that of Tesla, another enormous tech company renowned for its innovative ideas and quick growth. Like NVIDIA, Tesla has risen to the top of the industry in the energy and automotive sectors by mastering the application of cutting-edge technology and strategic business maneuvers. These companies are excellent illustrations of how strong fundamentals, innovative product pipelines, secure financial position, and visionary leadership all support long-term, sustainable success. Like NVIDIA, Tesla has established its course through a series of bold strategic decisions. Examples include diversifying into renewable energy and utilizing cutting-edge battery technology to transform electric vehicles. Tesla is a firm that is always pushing the boundaries of technology and sustainability. This relentless pursuit of innovation not only boosts Tesla's market share, but also raises the bar for competition, just like NVIDIA did in controlling the AI processor market. Moreover, Tesla's resilience to regulatory challenges, supply chain constraints, and economic fluctuations is similar to NVIDIA's ability to endure industry-specific challenges. Both companies have demonstrated that, with a strong foundation and the adaptability to grab new opportunities, even temporary setbacks in the market can be converted into opportunities for growth and expansion. The stories of Tesla and NVIDIA shed light on a broader phenomenon in the industry. In rapidly evolving markets, leadership and sustained success necessitate a steady balance of innovation, excellent execution, and strategic vision. Today, NVIDIA's stock is under pressure, closing the week with a 4% loss. Despite this setback, one analyst believes the tech giant has a bright future ahead of it and expects tremendous development. Ben Riss, head of technology research at Melos Research, has raised his price target for NVIDIA to $160 with confidence. This is the sixth adjustment he has made this year. Our next guest has raised his price objective on the stock for the seventh time this year, this time from $125 to $160. Please give me a call at Melos Research. NVIDIA is still a key player in the development of technology, setting the standard for AI and GPU-powered solutions. According to Argus Research, NVIDIA's stellar success in the previous fiscal year is cause for optimism, since forecasts suggest that the company will keep growing at a pace of more than 100% yearly for the foreseeable future. Similar to how Apple switched from the iPod to the iPhone and Microsoft shifted its focus to productivity tools, they are well ahead of the curve due to their consistent leadership in AI. Within the industry, NVIDIA is distinguished mainly by its purposeful approach to building a robust ecosystem that not only satisfies present product requirements, but also cultivates a community centered around its technology. From state-of-the-art AI CPUs and GPUs to an extensive suite of development tools that synergize with NVIDIA's technology, this ecosystem has it all. By creating a platform that attracts and retains great developers, NVIDIA ensures that its technology not only gains widespread acceptance, but also continues to advance, extending the life and financial success of its products. Ben Riss notes that NVIDIA is at a turning point akin to the revolutionary periods seen by industry heavyweights like Apple and Microsoft. By making calculated decisions about cloud computing and mobile technologies, Apple and Microsoft both significantly expanded their market share and capabilities and set new industry standards. Parallel to this, NVIDIA is expanding beyond basic hardware to incorporate ever more complex AI and machine learning systems, which form the foundation for several new technologies. NVIDIA's products and services are essential to the future of several industries, including gaming, automotive technology, healthcare, and digital infrastructure. Like Microsoft and Apple in their eras, NVIDIA's wide relevance and commitment to innovation ensure its position at the forefront of technological advancement. Bank of America's Vivek Arya pointed out that NVIDIA's success isn't a coincidence. He notes that market leaders in the computer business typically control over 80% of their respective sectors, and it is anticipated that NVIDIA will continue this trend in the field of artificial intelligence. Furthermore, Vivek anticipates a 3 to 5 year cycle for implementing generative AI, which lends credence to a bullish view for NVIDIA's stock. Moreover, NVIDIA's financial strategies are also worthy of recognition. They are expected to generate over $270 billion in cash over the next 3 years, which might be beneficial for shareholders. This financial stability could sustain high valuation multiples for some time. Consequently, the experts' consensus is clear for our viewers who are contemplating NVIDIA's future in light of its recent decline. It is recommended that they either start or increase their holdings in NVIDIA, especially for tech investors who are interested in deep learning, artificial intelligence, and GPU acceleration. Not only is this a fantastic time to buy, but it's also a chance to invest in a company that is driving a paradigm shift in technology, comparable to the enormous changes that Apple and Microsoft accomplished. Many rapidly make the mistake of equating the current tech mania with the dot-com boom. According to one observer, unlike the dot-com era, when speculative loans drove the industry, major corporations with solid balance sheets are driving the present boom in AI investment. People may comment in talks that NVIDIA's stock is pricey, but one analyst disagrees, pointing out that while the S&P 500 trades at roughly 2 times earnings growth overall, NVIDIA's pricing is less than 1 times its rise in profits. This implies that NVIDIA performed well, which most likely enabled it to maintain more than 80% of the AI chip market, a market that, according to Bank of America, may expand over the next years. A prominent technology analyst raised an interesting point. Due to substantial technical improvements, just a handful of companies, Apple and Google in the case of mobile, Amazon and Microsoft in the case of cloud computing, have become mega caps. NVIDIA is differentiating itself from the competition in the midst of the AI revolution by establishing AI factories,